Okay, good morning folks. Today our mission is to make old school slingshot. Slingshot?
Yeah.
Yeah, old school slingshot. For old school slingshot we need some special tree, and that's why we came to thick bush. If you go to thick bush, you need self-protection. Here's big knife, here's hunting dog, one more knife, and now we have to chop some wood. Do you wanna cut this one off? This one. Okay. Keep. Be careful with your fingers. For good slingshot, now we have right wood. Show me, Paula, the wood. Okay, thank you, Paula. We need one old shoe. Then we need some rubber pieces, scissors, okay, a knife. Okay, thank you. And what is that?
Rubber band. Big trouble.
If you think you have like a really good thing, like for example, I know. Or if you live at a farm, you get used to it.
Where's the other hobby? There's a
Now we need some old fancy shoe because we need the piece of leather.
Can I try it?
Or even bigger.
Like my dad?
Mhm. You can hear.
Just pull.
And then I was dropping someone off. I let someone borrow my scooter to go up that road. And then I went down with my scooter.
This slingshot. What do we do with slingshot?
This is a full
Now-
size helmet.
Slingshot, it's ready. Pull. Good job. Almost hit your friend.
Oh, it wouldn't have hit me. Or hurt. I know, that's better.
Now we have real one slingshot.